Welcome to the Great Garden channel. Are you growing anthuriums at home, but they're slow to grow, have pale leaves, or haven't flowered for a long time? In today's video, I'll be sharing a very simple organic fertilizer recipe that uses only familiar kitchen ingredients, safe, gentle, and easy to apply for every household. When applied correctly, your anthurium will show clear improvements: darker green, thicker, and glossier leaves. Stronger root growth, with better attachment to the growing medium. More consistent blooms with brighter colors and longer-lasting flowers. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss any simple yet effective plant care tips. Let's get started. Do you have coffee at home? Because the main ingredient I'm using today is coffee. Coffee is very beneficial for plant care. It contains about 4% nitrogen, 3% potassium, and 1% phosphorus, all of which are very good for plants. First, use a clean glass cup. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ground coffee into a clean small cup. Then add 500 milliliters of boiling water to the cup to brew the coffee. Using boiling water helps the nutrients in the coffee dissolve better and also reduces some unnecessary impurities. Finally, cover it and let the solution steep for 1 hour. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. While waiting for the solution to cool, I'd like to share an important tip before fertilizing your anthurium. Always lightly rinse the plant with clean water before applying any fertilizer. This helps moisten the growing medium and root zone evenly, allowing the plant to adapt better when it comes into contact with nutrients. When the roots are properly moistened, nutrient absorption will occur gradually and evenly. This helps reduce the risk of fertilizer shock, root burn, yellowing leaves, or root rot. Especially in weak or newly recovering anthurium plants. Just water lightly. There's no need to soak the plant. After that, proceed with fertilizing as usual. This small but highly effective tip will help anthuriums stay healthier, safer, and absorb nutrients more efficiently during care. After about 1 hour, when the active compounds in the solution have fully dissolved into the water, I filter out the residue. You can use a strainer or a clean cloth to do this, so you get a clear solution without sediment. This helps prevent clogging the spray bottle or leaving residue on the leaves and roots of the anthurium. Removing the residue allows the solution to penetrate better, keeps it safer for the plant, and reduces the risk of fungal growth during use. Next, dilute the solution with about 1 liter of clean water at room temperature. At this point, we've completed the nutrient solution and it's ready to use for your anthurium. Method 1. First, pour the coffee solution into a clean cup, as shown in the video. Next, use a cotton ball or a soft cloth to soak up the diluted coffee solution, then gently wipe both the top and underside of the anthurium leaves. This method helps remove dust, mineral residue, and long-term buildup on the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated, which improves the plant's photosynthesis efficiency. Wiping the leaves with diluted coffee solution can also help limit the growth of fungi and bacteria, reducing the risk of common leaf diseases in Anthuriums. When the leaves are healthy and clean, the plant can absorb water and nutrients more effectively, grow more steadily, and support stronger root development and better flowering. You can clean the leaves about once a month, or whenever you notice a buildup of dust. Besides Anthuriums, this method is also suitable for orchids, especially those grown indoors or placed in areas with little rain where dust easily accumulates. Regularly wiping the leaves keeps the surface clean and naturally glossy, which improves photosynthesis. This helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively, grow steadily, and produce long-lasting, beautiful blooms over time. Method 2. Next, pour the diluted coffee solution into a clean watering container, then gently and evenly water around the base of the Anthurium so the solution can slowly soak into the growing medium. Coffee provides nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and some trace minerals, helping stimulate root growth, maintain a healthy root system, and support Anthurium leaves in becoming darker green, thicker, and naturally glossy. At the same time, the mild acidity of coffee helps balance the growing medium, limits harmful root fungi, and allows the plant to absorb nutrients more effectively throughout its growth. Besides Anthuriums, I also use this solution for orchids. When watered in moderate amounts, orchids respond quite well. The roots grow stronger, attach more firmly to the growing medium, and the leaves become greener and sturdier. Regularly supplementing with diluted coffee helps orchids maintain stable vitality, supports root formation, and promotes leaf and stem growth, especially during recovery or active growth stages. In addition, diluted coffee solution can help improve the growing medium. When used in the right amount, the organic compounds in coffee can stimulate beneficial microorganisms, supporting the breakdown of organic matter and keeping the medium looser and better aerated. A stable root environment helps orchids adapt more easily, reduces stress, and maintains steady growth over time. Method 3. Place the properly processed and diluted coffee residue into a spray bottle, then mist it lightly and evenly over the entire Anthurium plant, from the leaves and stems to the area around the base and roots. This spraying method helps the remaining nutrients in the coffee residue be absorbed quickly through the leaf surface, similar to foliar feeding, allowing the plant to take in trace nutrients more easily and effectively. As a result, the Anthurium's natural resistance is strengthened, reducing the risk of pests and diseases while supporting healthy roots, sturdy stems, and balanced, stable leaf growth. You can apply this method once or twice a month to maintain the plant's vitality and help it grow steadily over time. Results after 2 months of application. For Anthuriums, noticeable root development. New roots grow continuously with bright-colored, thick, and healthy root tips, showing that the Anthurium adapts well and absorbs nutrients from coffee effectively. Significant leaf improvement. Leaves become darker green, thicker, and naturally glossy, with good firmness and elasticity, reflecting stable internal growth. Even emergence of new shoots. New shoots appear from the base and develop in a balanced way, creating a solid foundation for the next growth stage. Enhanced flowering potential. Some pots have begun to produce flower stalks. The blooms are fresh and long-lasting in color, indicating that the plant is stable and ready to enter a new flowering cycle. For orchids, healthy root growth. New roots emerge evenly, with plump green root tips that firmly attach to the growing medium, showing effective nutrient uptake. More stable foliage. Leaves are thicker, naturally green with a light sheen, and show reduced yellowing at the edges and less wrinkling. Improved new growth. New shoots begin to appear, growing slowly but steadily and in good balance. Improved flowering potential. The plants maintain good vigor, and some orchids show signs of flower-bud differentiation, promising more durable and beautiful blooms. This diluted coffee method for Anthurium care delivers clear results, helping plants stay healthy, boosting resistance, and making use of a familiar, easy-to-find ingredient that's simple to apply and suitable even for beginners. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to explore more simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next videos.